I think audience should expect to just come and have a really fun night in the opera. Like this is not an evening at the opera as you'd expect. We've had a lot of fun with it. We've just tried to make it really engaging and really fresh. In the original version, it's in a manor house, and very specifically in kind of like mid 1800s, and it's all about this guy who has an inheritance and he's got this house. And that's kind of like, oh well, we don't really like have that culture so much anymore, and it's got to be something that this guy's like really worked hard on and really built up from nowhere, and so I thought it'd be really good if it was a kebab van.
We're updating the story, we're updating the setting, a new translation. It seemed like a great opportunity to rethink the musical structure of the piece. So I ended up thinking I need 6 people. I can make this work with 6 people. But what I don't want to do is just, instead of having 10 violins, just have 1. Instead of having 4 clarinets, just have 1 and just do the piece. So we're set in a street with this beautiful van, we may be in a car park, nightlife. Who plays music at night time? Maybe there's some buskers out in the streets and trying to make a bit of extra money.
Don Pasquale, he's bought this van, and over the years he's sort of added little bits to it, but he's never updated it, so it's the kind of idea that it's this kind of encrusted shell that's kind of made it through to 2019 somehow.
It's a fantastic business, and I want to keep it in the family. The trouble is I haven't got a family. I've got a stupid nephew who I can't trust. He doesn't concentrate. All he can think about is becoming some pop singer. So I'm not going to leave my van to him.
Ernesto has lost his job. So he's just found out he's lost his job, he's got no money, and his uncle's just disinherited him. And suddenly he goes, oh my God, how am I going to pay for my tuition fees if I don't have a job? My ultimate goal is to become a star. And then the magic happens, where he just breaks into it, and the whole scene changes and it just becomes this X Factor moment, and I love it.
These 4 songs that we've got are just at the top of the game. It's been a joy. I've never laughed so much in a rehearsal in my life.
It's been a lot of fun, actually. I mean, I think they've all known different versions of Don Pasquale, and I've translated this and made a completely new, quite colloquial Welsh version of this.
There's nothing quite so exciting as being up close to an audience, and the sense of involvement of the audience is so much greater. I think they're going to love it.